Want to use the ApeX crypto app for decentralized crypto trading? In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, download the ApeX app and open it on your device. ApeX is a decentralized trading platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly through their crypto wallets without relying on a traditional exchange. To get started, create an account if required or connect to supported Web3 wallets such as MetaMask. Once connected, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can view your portfolio, account balance, and available trading markets. Before trading, you'll need to fund your account. Tap the deposit option and transfer supported crypto assets to your ApeX trading account. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once your funds are available, open the trade section. Here you'll find different trading pairs and market information. Select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. Next, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to trade. Review the estimated price, fees, and order details. Then confirm the order. If you're using leverage trading, select your preferred leverage level before placing the trade. Remember that higher leverage can increase both potential profits and potential losses. After placing your order, you can monitor open positions, unrealized profit and loss, order history, and account activity from the portfolio section. You can also check market charts, trading volume, and price movements to help make informed trading decisions. Some versions of the platform may also offer rewards, staking opportunities, or promotional programs. When you're ready to access your funds, go to the withdraw section. Enter your wallet address, choose the amount you want to withdraw, carefully review the information, and confirm the transaction. Quick disclaimer: cryptocurrency trading involves significant risk and prices can be highly volatile. Never invest more than you can.